Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to run Flappy Bird code in Python. First, ensure you have Python installed, preferably version 3.8 or newer, as this provides the best compatibility. You will also need the pip package installer, which comes with most Python distributions. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience, preparing your environment for the game's execution. Next, you'll need to obtain the actual game files. Download the Flappy Bird source code from a trusted online repository. Many versions are available. It's important to confirm that all necessary game assets, like the bird sprites, pipe images, and sound effects, are included in your download. Once acquired, organize all these files into a single, dedicated project directory on your computer for easy access. Now, let's install the essential Pygame library. Open your system's terminal or command prompt and navigate to your Flappy Bird project directory. This ensures pip installs the library correctly for your project. Then, simply type pip install Pygame and press enter. Pygame is a free and open-source Python library specifically designed for making video games, providing all the necessary tools. Finally, it's time to run the game. Make sure your terminal or command prompt is still within your Flappy Bird project directory. Locate the main game file, which is usually named main, py or Flappy Bird, py. Execute it by typing Python main, py or Python Flappy Bird, py, and pressing enter. You should now see the game window appear, ready for you to enjoy playing the classic Flappy Bird.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.